If you feel like the real estate market in Guelph has been in a bit of a freeze, well, you haven't been wrong. The January numbers tell the real story. The number of sales this year compared to last were down 32%. The number of new listings down 12%, and the average sale price slipped slightly by 2%. While the recent rate cuts should help the market, bigger forces were at play in January. The threat of the 25% tariffs from Donald Trump and then Canada's promise to retaliate created a wave of uncertainty, hitting Guelph particularly hard because of the automotive and agricultural industries. The rising costs, potential job loss, and companies holding back on expansion all impact buyers' uncertainty. Now, with the tariffs paused for a 30-day period, there is some hope for a bit more stability, but right now the markets are still fairly uncertain on what's to come. We saw the hesitation reflected in our home prices. Detached houses were down 4% compared to this time last year, as we're seeing a lot of move-up buyers take a wait-and-see approach. Condos got hit the hardest. They're down 17% from last year. And the main reason is just simply we have too much supply for condos right now, and first-time buyers and investors are trying to steer clear of condo fees. Now, on the bright side, townhouses actually performed very well. They increased 6% year over year. The main reason is investors and student parents coming in and purchasing these properties for this time of year. If you're the owner of a townhouse or a home near the University of Guelph and you're thinking of selling, this is your prime time. Mid-February to mid-March is going to be the ideal time for you to get that home on the market. If you're a first-time buyer with stable income, this could be the ideal time for you to buy. Both prices and interest rates are down, and we're anticipating that house prices will increase later this year. A slower market can be very advantageous for somebody who's looking to upsize, but you have to make sure you're using the right strategy. I highly recommend that your house is prepped properly, priced correctly, and very aggressively marketed. You're much better to sell first in this market and then buy second. If you're wondering what to do in this market, I'm Brad Wild from GoWylde Real Estate, and we're a group who are passionate about helping our clients build wealth through real estate. Let's navigate this market together.